It's Friday, the 24th of June 2022. Today's top news headlines. Roe v. Wade. U.S. Supreme Court overturns landmark abortion ruling. What does Russia's capture of Severodonetsk mean for Ukraine? Israelis fired shots that killed journalist Shireen Abu Akleh, UN says. Afghan groups step up as foreign earthquake relief faces delays. Zelensky tells Glastonbury crowds, Russia stole our peace. There's nothing left. Afghan quake survivors lack food, shelter. Kaliningrad standoff could reveal if Russia wants to escalate. Impoverished Gaza economy struggles under Israeli blockade. US marks 1 year since Surfside condo collapse that killed 98. With bond deadlines looming, Russia days away from default. US Supreme Court ends constitutional protections for abortion. What's expected from the upcoming G7 summit? How Greece's militarization of Aegean Islands violates international law. How Western museums distorted the Muslim image after stealing its art. Bulgaria Parliament okays move to unlock North Macedonia EU talks. Why does Turkey urge restructuring of UN Security Council? Afghan quake survivors suffer as aid hampered by floods. Athens fuels up crisis with naval base expansion in Crete Island. Balkan leaders warn Ukraine over EU illusions. Will Bulgaria lift veto on North Macedonia EU candidacy? PM Shahbaz announces 10% super tax on large-scale industries. Industries to close. Inflation storm ahead. PTI. Industry players chide government for imposing 10% super tax. Sindh government issues notification to reduce working hours of businesses. Amnesty. Deeply concerned, after Arsalan Khan picked up from home. Gold glitters once again. Price increases by 900 rupees in Pakistan. President Raisi welcomes China's global security initiative in BRICS speech. Iran seizes every opportunity to advance its goals. Finance Minister Borrell to visit Tehran today to discuss Vienna talks. President Raisi condoles with Afghanistan over deadly earthquake. Iran's presence in BRICS entails economic benefits. Release of Afghanistan assets should not be politicized, Iran envoy says. Iran calls on US to free Afghanistan's blocked money. Sanar seeking opinion on disqualification of rebel MLAs. Zomato board approves Blinkit buy for 4,447 crore rupees. RBI extends card tokenization deadline by 3 months till September 30th. US eyes H-1B for startups, faster green cards. UNHCR dispatches shelter, household supplies to quake victims. Afghan Gitmo prisoner Asadullah Haroon freed, government says. India sends technical team with relief material for Afghanistan. EU pledges €1 million for Afghanistan quake victims. Aftershock kills 5, injures over 10 in Paktika. Pakistan dispatches more relief assistance for quake-hit people. EU's next potential sanctions target revealed. Possible reason for speedy transmission of monkeypox revealed. Every second Brit cutting back on food shopping, survey tells. Huge number of Ukrainian troops encircled, Moscow says. Russia responds to discriminatory FIFA move. EU and NATO forming coalition for war against Russia, Lavrov says. First US state implements Supreme Court ruling on abortion. Assange's wife sounds alarm over his treatment.